Alright, here we have my Malocchio. It's a 53 centimeter. The frame was designed by our friend who used to work for us back in the New Jersey days, Travers. He's a big fan of old Italian road bikes, and he wanted something with larger tire clearances, because as we know, those old Italian road bikes and their 17C tires, very narrow tires, very narrow tires. I'm not sure if they all had tires super narrow. I'm not much of a old road bike historian. Ronnie Romance or Patrick would know better than me, especially considering they're in the tire game. But let's break this thing down a little bit, shall we? I'm running SRAM 11 brakes and shifter, SRAM Force, pardon me, and then I got the Force crank with a wolf tooth 40 tooth chainring, a SRAM 11 derailleur Force, a SRAM X-Glide cassette, I believe that's what it's called. We have the Bertrude saddle. I know I butchered the pronunciation and I apologize. We have a Blue Lug safety triangle, safety first. VO brakes, can't recall the model, consult their website, or if you're in Australia, check out Heaps Good Garage, they also sell them. We have the Nito Pearl stem and Campagnolo record headset. Speaking of record, we have the Campagnolo tie record post that Kyle from Belmar Bike Shop very generously gifted me. Thank you, Kyle. And then up front we are running the Dark Realm bag. I do not believe this one's available yet. I did do a little search on their website. I pre-gamed this one a bit, so I hope you're all proud of me. I couldn't see it there, but this is a really good bag, especially if you're a smaller rider and ride smaller frames, because it's not too deep. As you can see, there is a lot of clearance to the front tire. I normally have to run a front rack if I use any front bag at all, so this bag's really good and it fits plenty for a day ride, and it's got pretty easy access. Just opens up like that, you can get into it while you're riding. Really like that bag. Good job, Hanson and Vanessa. I've got the Crust Nitto Bonneville bar on this bike as well. Clearly I'm a fan of this handlebar. It's very comfortable, for me at least. Got the MKS Gordito pedals. That was done in junction with Crust. We've got the Nitto bottle cages. If you can't tell, I really like Nitto as well. Nitto, however it is pronounced. This frame runs the finest Italian tubing that money can buy. Columbus Spirit. Yes, very nice ride quality. It is fully lugged. Just basic lugs. I don't really like overly ornate ones. What else is on this thing? I'm running 650 by 38. The next size up, the 55, steps into the 700C. I might build one of those up just to see the difference. It'll be a bit too big for me, but it'll be interesting to find out. A few years ago I did some pseudo science with a power meter and a Strava or Garmin or whatever it's called, and this was the fastest tire for me, up against narrow ones, 700C. I ran a whole gamut of different tires, and this on a ride, like a 50-kilometer ride or something, these ones proved to be the fastest. That's just for me, and that's pseudoscience, so don't go getting too angry at me in the comments, or do. I don't really care. It'll help the algorithm either way. Just a little tidbit, the test bike had disc wheels, so I was using the exact same bike, just different wheels and tires. I got crust rims laced to... No, I don't. They're Percenti wheels, old Percenti wheels. I'm not sure if they still make them. Yeah, this is a really nice road bike with a bit of comfort, in my opinion. Obviously, if you're a crit racer or something, probably not the bike for you, but I don't know anything about that world, so maybe it is. Yeah, not really for heavy off-road use. You can use it in smooth premium gravel roads. And as you can tell, that's not really where I am right now, because once again I'm lost, but that's how it goes. Yeah, I think that's all. Oh, the art was done by our friend or friends Pucci and Lorenzo. Really like how it turned out. It's yeah, I think it fits his frame nicely, so thanks Pucci and Lorenzo. Did I miss anything? I'm sure I did, but that's how it goes. Yeah, fun bike. Haven't ridden it in a while. Don't know why. I really like it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Chains on my wrist and ankles. These plastic ties